Okay, hi. So I just went to the store and I got this. So now I'm going to open it. So it comes with a little note, a card. Oh yeah, by the way, it is an LOL surprise doll thing. Ball, I guess. It is All-Star Sports Movies. If you want to take a look. Comes with a water bottle, some like bubbly hair, glasses, a shirt, like a top and a skirt, two little shoes, and the girl. So let's open it. We're just gonna peel this, and then now let's take this off, this peeling, and okay. And now, where do we peel it? Here. I kind of wrecked this because it's going like this and it's not just going straight down, but whatever. Let's just, work with it. Okay, I got it. So, now, here we have our ball. Oh my gosh, this thing is hard to open. Is there tape on this? Whoa, that is a lot of stuff. Okay, so first let's start off with this little baggie. Okay, let's open it. Look, it's a little card. Ice skater. Oh my gosh, that is like so cute. And here is the other side. Let's open this. Okay. Oh look, it's little roses. Oh, I think we're getting this girl. I think it's actually this girl. So here are the little roses. I wonder what this is. Oh. Here's our little ball, or little bottle. No, it doesn't show it on here, on the card, but here's our little water bottle. And I wonder what this could be. Oh, this is so cute. Look, it's a little thing that goes around her neck. It's like a little scarf, but kind of different. Oh, what does this say? Yummo! That's what the water bottle says. I just realized that. Okay, now let's open this. Here is her little outfit. So cute. This is a little thing. It's shaped like a body. That's kind of cute, even though I don't know. But here's her little outfit. Here's another little thing. Oh, so cute. Little skates. I already have my own little skates. They're exactly the same. They just don't have the blue stuff on it. So I can make her switch out her skates. So cute. And now the last little thing. I think that's the last little thing, right? Yep. And then we get the real doll. Oh, here's a little medal award. I forgot what it was called for a second. We've got all the accessories, and now let's take out the doll. So cool. This is her. She doesn't have any clothes on, but yep, it is her. That's the same girl, see? Okay, now let's get her dressed up. So let's put on her little shirt. I don't know why she's going ice skating in a tank top, but because it shows that she's like an ice skating champion or something. So, oh my gosh, that is so cute. I'll show you what it was after I get this. After I get her clothes on, her shirt is so hard to get on. Oh my gosh. Once I get this thing on, I'm never taking it off because then it would be hard to get it back on. One moment. So this is everything she came with. And also, see, there's like this button at the back, and if I press it, oh, her legs move. So it's like she's skating. That's cute. Okay, so thanks for watching. Check out the next video. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.